engineer. So after 5 months, I started my admission test. Then, if I get a chance, I join this my university. I will completed my graduation level. But if I didn't get a chance because of Dhaka University of Engineering Technology, that means DUET, very critical or very tough for this chance because of my department, chemical engineering department. So my department, chemical engineering department, one seat purpose, one seat purpose. Uh, 30 or 35 participant, but our total seat 30 seat total, but applicant 700 or 800. So any public university very tough or very critical for this chance, because of very tough situation. So if I didn't get a chance, I gonna to abroad, I gonna to abroad. So this gonna abroad purpose, I every day practice my English language proficiency because of English is the international language. So everyday practice more and more. One day I am a very good speaker. I wanna become a very good speaker. So English international language. So foreign country man to man conversation or man to man communication, and my own skill develop my English language. So that is why, brother. That's all.
All right, I got it. So you can actually this resolution
Sorry, brother. Tell me.
like Ramadan month.
Oh, Ramadan month. Ramadan month. Ramadan month is the most of important part of all Muslim people, right? And because of this Ramadan month, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, all people forgive to all people. So Ramadan month, this three particular topic, that means Najat, Makfirat, or Rahmat. So very most of important part of life Ramadan month, or Ramadan month Allah Subhanahu wa Taala create Quran, our Holy Quran. So most of important part all Muslim person, Ramadan month, right? So brother, right now, previous time started conversation this time. Right now I am stay in my home village. I'm a stay because I'm a stay the Gazipur, but Ramadan month purpose I came to my house. So this air, city area or local area, village area, very different. These places, the fresh air or many trees, upper many trees, or fresh air, fresh oxygen, very nice. I'm very enjoy this that time, brother. City area, another noise, frustrating, or um, some vehicle noise, or many buildings, bore life, city life. But local area life are very enjoyable, very uh, most of part of village area life is the most beautiful, I think.